How to enable or disable PHP's Allow URL F Open in Plesk. You can use CloudLinux Selector to enable or disable the Allow URL F Open directive. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged in. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the PHP Selector option. Then click the Options menu. If the Options page shows an error related to the native PHP version, change it to a non-native version first. Allow URL F Open is disabled. We recommend you enable this function only if it is necessary to avoid security risks. Let's enable the Allow URL F Open. That's it. Allow URL F Open has been enabled. To disable this function, click to uncheck the box. It is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.